So we're now going to look at some notation we use. So we're on page 2 for complement, intersection, and union. So first off, we don't really like to write words in math, and it is faster, you'll see, to write it this way. So when I want to say the complement of a set, I put a little, this is called a prime next to it. It's just like a little apostrophe. So if we talk about the complement of A, we would say A prime. So I have the same sets, so we're just going to write these down with notation. So in this case, A prime, the elements that are in S that are not in A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So those are just the same things you look at the page. An intersect, we use this little thing that kind of looks like, I don't know, an N maybe in between them. So this is A intersect B. So when I intersect those two sets, we said the elements they had in common were 3, 5, and 7. And then the next one, we use a U for union. So that means to unite the two sets, bring all their elements together. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So we're going to look at a couple problems now with this type of notation. So we have wrap, 3 sets, R, A, and P, and they want us to do R intersect P, so they want to know what R and P have in common. So if I look at R and P, they have a 3 in common, so A is not even in this problem, I'm just going to cross it out, and they also have a 1 in common. So their intersection is 1 and 3. The next problem is a little more involved. So we have A, B, C, and D, and they're going to ask me a bunch of statements and decide which one is false. So I'm just going to go through them. So the first one says, if I unite A, B, and C, do I get set D? So I'm actually going to list that out, and I just kind of go through. So I need a 1, a 2, a 3. I need 4, 5, 6, and it looks like I need all of the integers from 1 to 10. So that does look correct. That is set D, so this one is good. So we're going to cross it out because we are looking for the false statement. The next one, the intersection, what A, B, and C all have in common is nothing, it says. So they don't have a 1, these two have a 2, but the other ones don't. Not all have a 3, right? So they all have to have the item. So there is nothing they have in common. So we would call this the empty set. So that one is also correct. So we're going to cross that. The next one, the union of A and C. So if I bring everything together in A and C, I would get 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this looks like my answer because I don't have a 9. We'll check the last one, A intersect C. Where do they intersect? A and C both have a 3, a 5, and a 7. So that one is correct. And 3 is my answer because I'm looking for the one that's false.